everyone! Welcome to today's learning video. In this session, we will explore an important topic in the practicum of accounting for public institutions, namely accounting for local government financial transactions. This material covers three main points. 1. Local government financial management. 2. Recording local government revenue. 3. Recording local government expenditure. This video will help you understand the basic concept and see how regional financial transactions are recorded systematically and accountability. In this video, we'll discuss three sub-chapters of the chapter of regional government financial records. The first covers regional financial management, the second covers revenue recording, and the third covers expenditure recording. In this material, we will discuss the concept of regional financial management. The sub-chapter on revenue recording includes definition of revenue, LRA revenue, and LO revenue, as well as types of regional revenue. In the section on expenditure recording, we will discuss the definition of expenditure and types of regional expenditure. Before entering the material, let's try the following questions. The following questions are in the form of statements. Then you can answer them with true or false answer to the existing statements. First statement: local governments may spend budget exceeding revenues without special regulation. Is the statement true or false? Why is it wrong? Because local governments cannot spend all their revenue. Local governments must prioritize the budget needed in their region. Second statement: LO revenue is recognized when the transaction has occurred, even though cash has not yet been received or disbursed. Is this statement true or false? Correct answer. So, LO revenue is recorded when the transaction occurs. This is the opposite of LRA revenue, which is recorded when cash is received or disbursed. Okay, let's start with the first topic, local government financial management. Local government financial management is the entire series of activities carried out to organize regional budgets. This process consists of several stages. 1. Planning. The local government drafts development plans which are later formalized in the regional budget or APBD. The planning process must involve the community through consultation forum. 2. Implementation. At this stage, the government carries out programs based on the approved budget. 3. Administration. All financial transactions are recorded systematically by treasurer and financial officer. 4. Reporting. Budget realization reports and other financial statements are prepared as a form of transparency. 5. Accountability. The final stage involves submitting financial reports to the regional House of representatives and to the public as a form of accountability. By understanding this flow, we can see that financial management is not only about recording numbers, but ensuring that the entire process runs efficiently, transparently, and accountably. Next, let's move on to our second core topic, local government revenue. Local government revenue consists of all cash receipts that represent the government's right increase equity funds and do not have to be repaid. LRA revenue versus LO revenue. LRA revenue or budget realization report revenue recognized when cash is received. This revenue increases the budget surplus. LO revenue or operational report revenue recognized when the government earned the right to the revenue even if cash has not yet been received. This revenue increases equity. Understanding this difference is crucial because LRA uses a cash basis, while LO uses an accrual basis. Okay, next, we discuss types of local government revenue. 1. Original local government revenue or PAD. For example, local tax, local retribution, income from regional assets, other legitimate PAD. 2. Transfer revenue or balancing funds. For example, general allocation funds, specific allocation funds, and revenue sharing funds. There is a transfer of general allocation funds when a region is seen to have a fiscal gap, meaning that the region's finances are still significantly behind other regions. Therefore, the government will provide these general allocation funds. There is a transfer of special allocation funds when a region applies for funds to develop its regions. For example, there is a request for education funds, which could be in the form of school operational assistance funds. Revenue sharing funds can be in the form of revenue sharing from income tax and value-added tax generated by the region. Number 3. Other legitimate revenues. Number 4. Non-operational surplus. Number 5. Extraordinary revenue. We continue to the third topic, local government expenditure. Expenditure consists of all payments made by the government that reduce the budget surplus and will not be received back in the future. Okay, next we discuss types of local government expenditure. 1. Operational expenditure, used for daily operational activities, for examples, employee salaries, office supplies, and minor maintenance. 2. Capital expenditure, used to acquire assets that provide long-term benefits. For example, building construction, vehicle procurement. 3. Unexpected expenditure, used for unexpected and non-recurring events. For example, emergency response for natural disaster. Understanding this structure is essential for ensuring that regional spending aligns with regulation and development priorities. To deepen your understanding, reflect on the following question. 1. What are the main causes of limited local government revenue? 2. How should the local government manage revenue and expenditure so that development can continue without creating a deficit? 3. Why is recording financial transaction not enough if we only record income and expense? This question encourages critical thinking and help connect the material to real-world situation. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope this material on local government financial management, revenue, and expenditure help you gain a deeper understanding of public sector financial processes. For the answer, what's the next learning video? Okay, see you.